we have this radical equation to solve, and we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation here. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to move this expression here down to the right hand side of the equation, and we are going to have here square root of x plus 5 equals 10 minus square root of x minus 5. Now, the next step to be considered here is for us to square both sides of this equation so that you can remove this radical sign here. Now, we are going to square this square root of x plus 5 all squared equals 10 minus square root of x minus 5 all squared. Now here, this square root 2 cancel out this square, and we have x plus 5 equals, this implies 10 minus square root of x minus 5 into 10 minus square root of x minus 5. Then we bring this down, x plus 5 equals, if you expand this, we have 10 times 10, that will give us 100. Then 10 times minus square root of x minus 5, that will give us minus 10 square root of x minus 5. Then we have minus square root of x minus 5 times 10, that will give us minus 10 square root of x minus 5. Then minus square root of x minus 5 times minus square root of x minus 5, that will give us plus x minus 5. When if we simplify this further, we are going to have here x plus 5 equals 100. This will give us minus 20 square root of x minus 5. Then here we have x minus 5. And we simplify this further. Here we are going to have x plus 5 equals 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5, that will give us 95. Then we have plus x, then minus 20 square root of x minus 5. Now we collect like terms here, and we are going to have here that 95, if you move 5 down here, it becomes minus 5, then plus x. If you move x down here, it becomes minus x equals 20 square root of x minus 5. Then here we have here this 95 minus 5, that will give us 90. X minus x, that will give us 0, and this equals 20 square root of x minus 5. But at this point, 0 will cancel out 0 here, and we have that 9 equals 2 square root of x minus 5. Now we are going to square both sides of this equation once again, and we are going to have here 9 all squared equals 2 square root of x minus 5 all squared. And here 9 squared, that will give us 81, equals here 2 squared give us 4. Then this will give us x minus 5, because square root will cancel out this square here. Now if you expand this, we are going to have that 81 equals 4x minus 20. Then if you move If you correct like terms, you are going to have that 4x equals 81 plus 20. Then as such, this gives us that 4x equals 101. Then we divide both sides through by 4. We have that x equals 101 divided by 4. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this equation right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.